Hey guys, welcome back to LRC. So I have a new product here from heewing. It's the controller board for the LED of the new T1 Ranger. This LED strobe light here, they are not ordinary LED where you can just apply voltage to it and you work. This has to be controlled by a control board, for example through iNav, or if you're not familiar with it, you can just get this new controller board, link in the description. I have helped them with a simple translation. On the left side is the input and right side is the output to the LED. And the 3 buttons here, the features is not mentioned, so we're gonna try it out. Very easy, but notice on the output side, positive and negative, they are on the outside. Signal is the middle pin. I extended a 5V out from the receiver to the input of this controller board, then the output to the parallel LED connectors over here, and the strobe light works as soon as you power it up. Check this out. It's blinking on both sides. Once it's confirmed to be working, you can shrink wrap it with the heat shrink tube they provided. I just got a reply from the factory. These buttons, they are for adjusting the speed of the strobe light, and they said the instruction manual is not ready yet, so we are free to explore it. So that's all for the video. You can check out the link in the description on where you can buy this, because this is basically just plug and play. You do not have to fiddle with iNav to make this work. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!